Here, we are going to discuss about ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is commercially important compound. Ethanoic acid chemical formula is CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid is known, since very early times in the form of vinegar. Ethanoic acid is the second member of the homologous series of carboxylic acids. Ethanoic acid is present in vinegar, which contains 7 to 8% of ethanoic acid. It is present in fruits, plant extracts, and biological fluids, in the form of esters, and metal salts. Let us discuss about physical properties of ethanoic acid. Physical properties of ethanoic acid are: ethanoic acid is a colorless, pungent smell, and corrosive liquid. A volatile liquid having low boiling point of 118 degrees Celsius. Ethanoic acid solidifies, on cooling, to an ice-like crystalline solid, which looks like glacier, and hence its name is glacial-acetic acid. Ethanoic acid is soluble in water, ether, and alcohol, in all proportions. Ethanoic acid produces painful blisters in contact with skin. Ethanoic acid burns with pale blue flame. Ethanoic acid is a good solvent for P4, that is, phosphorus, S8, that is, sulfur, I2, that is, iodine, and many organic compounds. Now, let us see the chemical properties of ethanoic acid. The chemical properties of ethanoic acid are: action on litmus, reaction with carbonates and hydrocarbonate, reaction with alkalis, that is, sodium hydroxide, reaction with alcohols like formation of esters, hydrolysis of esters. Let us discuss each one of them elaborately. Action on litmus. Ethanoic acid turns blue litmus to red. So, it is acidic in nature. It turns universal indicator paper to only orange, but not red. So, it is a weak acid. Let us see the reaction of ethanoic acid with carbonates. Ethanoic acid reacts with carbonates. It gives salt, CO2, and water. In this reaction, salt produced is called sodium acetate. For example, the chemical equation for the reaction is 2CH3COH, that is, ethanoic acid, plus Na2CO3, that is, sodium carbonate, gives 2CH3CONa. That is, sodium ethanoate, plus H2O, that is, water, plus CO2, that is, carbon dioxide. Ethanoic acid with hydrogen carbonates. It gives salt, CO2, and water. The salt produced is called sodium acetate, or sodium ethanoate. For example, the chemical equation for the reaction is CH3COH, that is, ethanoic acid, plus NaHCO3, that is, sodium bicarbonate, gives CH3CONa, that is, sodium ethanoate, plus H2O, that is, water, plus CO2, that is, carbon dioxide. This reaction is used as test for ethanoic acid. Let us see ethanoic acid with alkalis. It reacts with alkalis, that is, sodium hydroxide, to form salt and water. Example, chemical equation for the reaction is CH3COH, that is, ethanoic acid, plus NaOH, that is, sodium hydroxide, gives CH3CONa, that is, sodium ethanoate, plus H2O, that is, water. Now we shall see about alcohols. First, let us see formation of esters. Ethanoic acid reacts with alcohols in the presence of a little of concentrated sulfuric acid to form esters. For example, chemical equation for the reaction is CH3COH, that is, ethanoic acid, plus C2H5OH, that is, ethanol, gives CH3COC2H5. That is, ethyl, ethanoate sweet smell, plus H2O, that is, water. The next is hydrolysis of esters. When an ester is heated with sodium hydroxide solution, then ester gets hydrolyzed, that is breaks down, to form parent alcohol, and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. This is called saponification. This reaction is used in soap formation. For example, chemical equation for the reaction is CH3COOC2H5, that is, ethyl ethanoate, plus NaOH, that is, sodium hydroxide, on heating, gives CH3COONA, that is, sodium ethanoate, plus C2H5OH, that is ethanol. Uses of ethanoic acid are: dilute ethanoic acid is used as food preservative. Vinegar is also used as an appetizer for dressing food dishes. Making cellulose acetate, which is an important artificial fiber. Manufacture of acetone, propanone, and esters used in perfumes. Preparation of dyes, plastics, and pharmaceuticals. To coagulate rubber from latex. Ethanoic acid is used in preparation of ethanoic, that is, acid, anhydride, which is used in manufacture of aspirin, which relieves from pain and fever.